Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to extract text from images, PDFs, and videos in multiple languages on your Mac using TextShot, a free app for Mac OS. To get started, open the App Store on your Mac, type TextShot in the search box, and press Enter on your keyboard. You may need to sign in with your Apple ID and password. Then click Get and click Install to download the TextShot app on your Mac. It's important to note that TextShot requires macOS 13 or later. Once the download is finished, double-click the TextShot icon in the Applications folder to launch it. You will find its icon in your Mac's menu bar. In the following step, click the icon in the menu bar and choose Settings. You can press and hold down Shift plus Command plus 2 to copy or extract text from images, PDFs, or videos. This shortcut triggers the crosshair, allowing you to select an area of your screen with the text. Then OCR, Optical Character Recognition, will analyze the text, extract it, and send it to the clipboard. If you want the TextShot app to launch at login, check this box, or drag its icon to the dock and launch it manually whenever you need it. To play sound when capturing text, check this box. I don't need any of them, so I uncheck the boxes and close the window. To extract text from images, first open your image with Preview or another app. Then press and hold down Shift plus Command plus 2 or click the TextShot icon and select Start Capture. After that, click and drag the crosshair over the text you want to copy. Release your mouse button and finally paste the text into your document by pressing and holding down the Command plus V keys on your keyboard. Next, I open a PDF document using the Preview app. On macOS, you can copy text from a PDF using the Text Selection tool and drag it over the text you want to copy. However, if your PDF document is password protected and you can't remember the password, macOS won't allow you to copy the text. In that case, you can launch the TextShot app extract the text from your PDF and then paste it into your document.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
To capture text from a video, open it with the QuickTime Player app. Click Start Capture. Click and drag the crosshair over the text. Release your mouse button and paste it into your document. You can use TextShot to copy text in multiple languages including Japanese, German, French, and others. Let's copy some text in Japanese. As before, I click on Start Capture or press and hold down Command plus Shift plus 2. Select the text. Release the mouse button and paste the text into a Word, Pages, or TextEdit document. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the Lucid Tutorials profile picture and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.